Kunigunde of Austria, March 16, 1465. August 6, 1520. Kunigunde of Austria, Archduchess of the Holy Roman Empire of the Habsburg family and married Duchess of Bavaria. Charles Emmanuel I, January 12, 1562, June 26, 1630. Charles Emmanuel the Great participated in numerous wars. He was a candidate for the throne of the French kingdom. Adelheid of Austria, June 3, 1822, January 20, 1855. Adelheid of Austria, daughter of Archduke Rainer Joseph of Austria, wife of King Victor Emmanuel II of Sardinia. Leopold II, May 5, 1747, March 1, 1792. Leopold II, King of Germany from 1790, elected Holy Roman Emperor, third son of Franz I and Maria Theresa. Isabella II, October 10, 1830, April 9, 1904. Isabella II was Queen of Spain from 1833 to 1858, 1868, daughter of Ferdinand VII and Maria Cristina of Naples. Dennis Schweizern, October 9, 1261, January 7, 1325. Denis the French of Portugal, nicknamed the Farmer, was King of Portugal from 1279. Denis founded the Portuguese Navy. Suzanne of Bavaria, April 2nd, 1502, April 23rd, 1543. Suzanne of Bavaria was a princess of the House of Wittelsbach, daughter of Albrecht IV the Wise, Duke of Bavaria. Mustafa IV, September 8, 1779, November 17, 1808. Mustafa IV, Sultan of the Ottoman Empire. Mustafa IV came to power as a result of the Janissary rebellion that deposed his cousin Selim III. Eleanor Helena of Portugal, September 18, 1434. September 3, 1467. Eleonora Helena of Portugal was the daughter of the Portuguese king Duarte Coroner, consort of the Holy Roman Emperor Frederick III. Amadeus I, King of Spain, May 30th, 1845, January 18th, 1890. Amadeus, I was King of Spain from 1870 to 1890, 1873. Maria Theresia, May 13, 1717, November 29, 1780. Maria Theresia was Archduchess of Austria, Queen of Hungary from June 25, 1741, consort and later widow of Franz Ernst Stephen of Lorraine. Charles Emmanuel of Savoy, October 24th, 1770, August 16th, 1800. Captain General in the Army of the Kingdom of Sardinia, participant in the Alpine War.